Ted, you want a treat? Hi, my name is Lori and I'm here with my 9-month-old golden retriever puppy named Teddy. This is day 2 of us opening up Teddy's advent calendars and he is very excited for treats. You ready? Are you ready? Okay, here, what's this, bud? What's this? Where's day 2, pup? So this is Ollie's advent calendar. Every day is salmon and sweet potato treats. I know, but oh, okay. Sit. Sit. Okay, good boy. Okay, bud, that was Ollie's. Come here, Ted. Alright, so next we're going to do PetSmart's jerky. So this should have a different jerky flavor than yesterday. Teddy really did seem to like the jerky. Oh, you got 3 little mini jerkies. Okay, sit. Okay. Cool. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, good boy. Can you lay down? Good boy. Okay, Ted, are you ready for your last one for today from Costco? The big chungus of advent calendars. Oh, wow, Pop. Wow. Looks like it's some sort of jerky chew. No. There he goes. That's what it looks like. This is most likely one of the chicken jerky.
So Teddy has liked all 3 treats today, but he probably likes the Costco treat just a little bit more than the other ones.
Broke them up into pieces just to make it a little bit easier for him to chew, but he seems to like it a lot. Okay, puppy, last piece. Last piece, and then we're done. Day 2. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We're posting every day up until Christmas.